Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
TV personality, I am very antisocial. I am the type who don't go out to public places a lot. I don't care type of person. Afia Schwarzenegger has been on my case for God knows when. If you're surprisingly nipa kwa o twa oka wadam for girl na on him here adwuma wo Kantanka TV no betwa oka we say when twa oka kra wo so ye wadam for na aye ode me informations from Kantanka ebro ode Kantanka wan sam brel say ye say ni nyina mate ni nyina. They are all here. The day I will address the Kantanka issue, they are here. If you are Ghanaians, I'm not here to insult Afia Schwarzenegger. No matter what the situation is, I believe she's a human being and a woman. As a fact, Afia Schwarzenegger, sounds shemi ye, me nyamre sao, me nyamre. And as a way I did, as a nipa person be to God Almighty. Because when I also work also for DA school, also work Bible school. So I'm surprised say they didn't teach you in your Bible school say fa how ni like what read teaching in etu Jesus Christ so ono pe no betimi aso am and then I hope so the betu yen so because we didn't send you to go and disgrace yourself worldwide. We didn't send you. Aden oti one momo na edin a ase ubi bi ayira na yese bibi ye o na yese wo hu de onya o me mo na nso am wo kama se me se me de me nya papa. People will say oh let me I don't want to mind it because I'm a public figure and no, somebody needs to put your fucking ass right, and I will do that. I will always do that until we shenyansa oh trim say attacking a fellow woman and now attacking other fellow people who are doing well than you is not the solution to your problem. Solution to your problem is God. Look for God. Family, let me play the voice message that's A+. Let me play that recording for you to hear. A+ told me and my brother on phone, say, if you are there, this is the problem she's going through. Yes. And that's the reason why those of you come on my page and Afia has killed your career. Afia killed her own career, not mine. She killed her own plans that God had for her in the media, not me. Afia can't do shit to me. Ondru hompo onsunye. Afia is a paperweight moving around. And from abon biya no akwa. Who discard that Afia se commodity nti no wo frɛ no Afia brabeji skawe wo hu sister yi wo hu brai me pese wo didi na tema me pa me pese wo use wo platform na wo fe didi sikenti kakra wo be dinti na wo gu nyonko anima ase because you yourself you are an epitome of disgrace. You have been disgraced already. Wo gu anima ase deda because so for now shira wa warrior so no Nkotimi Kachero said being promiscuous brings disgrace. I don't think say you would do something like that because you were very happy in your marriage until you decided to be promiscuous. And whatever you do on earth, you must be ready to bear the consequences. So why are you bearing the consequences and you want other people to share a piece of your pain? Why? And all the free Vivian Joe so now they are called Nanaba Namwaso, now they are called president so now they are called way so now they are called way so all of them needs to know say you are not well. This is the foundation of your problem. It is ankenya A plus. A plus kwa ye wunyame. A plus or ye wunyame. A semina A plus catch the main tea about you. And untina me call United Showbiz kwa Jimmy e wo phone so no. I was calm. People were like, oh, Mona was calm. Mona was just, looking at people. No. Because I had even promised my brother, say, asema ya tidie. If ya ye bibi aye mfi ni biem. Because me oba. Say be bema de madeja kotwa bonten a. Enye me de. Ebe ye me ya. You are lonely. You are lonely. You are a wannabe. What you don't have, you want to claim you have, but you don't. 4 houses. 4 houses. Mato fie 4. Membani we school cry na me talk e ma omo. Madam for mama Lebanese na wokot na ni fie 3 days pa 2 we. Mama ni je wagon. Wo di dwi hu sa. If you humble yourself, what? Humble yourself before the Lord and allow God to break you, mold you, and renew a right spirit within you. And yes, I so didn't say dia dakro. Ube dia bobo, ube how ube kum, you will commit suicide. Allow God to work in you. With nya ye ne suma so ko ne ko di wu. Enya ye ne suma say ko ye wedding. Enya ye ne suma wo say ko bobosia ne fa ware bema. Bosia wo boy ya wo de worry bema at the end of the day bema ne kwa consider bosia wo boy ya de worry no or the wadeja to abontin, and you are in pain, you are deranged, you are angry, you are upset. You know ko ye videos na who use captions to show say me na only make us, but you couldn't mention my name. What you say? But say I know yasabe mo uska sleep. And then my PA called me and then said, okay, there's this video I'm sending to you. Just have a look at the video and then call me back. Until after now, I'm frame me PA in the back, but I've seen the video. Pamucho me bo video na mamuti munya alert.
Eh, Timona, one na catch up for Prince Philip who you know. Queen Elizabeth from Queen Elizabeth. Hey, ready, mother, which we are fool. One hand in Uncle clients is a Queen Elizabeth of France and you could have. Hey, ready, Uncle Paul. Now, how do you want to go to you? No fumigation, not the best presidency. A poor say that on the front. To go him up from Jimmy. Hey, Mother Gucci with Timon.
I just received this video. Say Afia Schwarzenegger did my money page. Say my end day, like then am I here? Afia, see me. I say once I feel what's the deal? Won't say until you mention my name on a Gucci no. YouTube viewership and boosty. So when you say YouTube viewership there, it doesn't boost. Just say be a what bomb on a Gucci din. Na fair kosoro. Na unyesika mashada so na me ba be ma reply e be say unyesika because I feel pity for you. Afia, I feel pity for you. Unya me mobo eya me mobo me makacho say me you David on say Jimmy hu Ghana kremu obi anfeel you were surprised say me feel wrong me kwa mama me kra owo me kra nim say me. When you see people who are reserved and they are introverts, like they don't like problems for themselves, and then you think you can just pick up on them, Me, I don't go that way. But and the feel me baby feel, I'm coming to let Ghanaians and the world know what your problem is. Ghana for Afia Schwarzenegger is mentally deranged. Afia Schwarzenegger is depressed. Afia Schwarzenegger needs help. Afia Schwarzenegger okodana joa osusana de achi because eya obi wonimu eya una wonimu no. The best way she can release her stress is to attack a fellow woman who is doing well in the same field of work. nti make the same field of work na ye media. Afia Schwarzenegger needs prayers. I'm telling you people, because one of these days no mo be sorry ye bet say asembone Afia Schwarzenegger bia no wanu meduro no weku ne ho. Yeah, Afia Schwarzenegger has a mental problem or brepa. Afia Schwarzenegger is suffering. If you people don't know, I'm telling you. How did I get to know? How did I get to know? Afia Schwarzenegger enka A+ ka semni chire me ne me bra pani long ago, and my first video me be ya ma okran ka manya ma because me oba I understand you. I understand how you feel, but the rate at which you exert your bitterness onto your fellow women, no, it will not help you. It will drag you to your grave early. If you don't change, from exerting your bitterness on other women who are doing well in your field of work, you will die early. You will die early. And people will play back this video and they will say, Monaguchi Kanye, you will die early. Of course, no woman will love, say, Yadina Deja Ebetua Bontin. Se bema udon pa the naked video Etua Bontin is the greatest form of depression in the world. Because you might probably trust the man. There are so many women who have trusted men, and at the end of the day, the man will probably bring your naked video out or do something to disgrace you, to put your humanity out there. If you don't know the reason why I would Jimmy who I mean feel, this is the reason. And a woo young body now your friend A+ no or no and a friend me mona. A friend me mona. Wambra me brother wabruch me big brother this line. So it was a 3-way conference. And a A+ car say this is the reason why sometimes one now call off. One call offer. So one call offer. A+ is not lying. A+ isn't lying. Because if you're Schwarzenegger, Sanka won't call offer. Won't mean now and sorry. And benye video. And kase me say Queen Elizabeth ababe frame. How is that possible? If as a matter of fact, wumpo na woman me who say Prince Philip or whoever he is dead. Because video no me pay this Sunday me me shasa na me baby sa me pay say na Prince Philip na can we na and almost say I had to go and Google to know say Prince Philip is indeed dead. If you are there, what is it? What is your problem? You are a national pandemic. Yes, we understand. You are a woman. Because Embra Dolores Ekofa Obaye Oma Uye Afia Schwarzenegger TV series Nekrano. You know, you are so much composed. Like you like your basima, not your bar. Just be up and was including myself because of how you were acting. But ever since ex-husband Eddie Wadeja Etua Bonteno, you have become a beast. You attack every woman, any woman who is doing better than you. If you're Schwarzenegger, you are depressed. If you do na asama making some more Ghana for if you don't take it seriously, one day obenu medronu ekune ho. No kune ho enye bibia entia. She is still suffering from the bitterness, the pain of a man she loved. Bema no wodono na bema ne di na deja etu abonten because of a mistake she made. Bema di enki enim se wodo oba no eyem bibi kura na ye mistake kura na because of the love ninti no obe kura sem in such a way say oba no so ne mu ase but ono no ne kunu na nya ne saa or the two abonten up till now nimba no kura ehun such videos and look at it with pain in their hearts too. If Afia Schwarzenegger mamika bebi nchire me adwa broni mona gucci me no me ka se me ko hun school na me ko hun school eya wo nyonku A+ and eba ma me ti ase say this is the problem you are going through. This is the problem you are going through. And say me your banti me ti ase ti na wo jimi ami mfi wo no Enti na wo ye wo niema bebre na ya memfi wo no. People who know me pa, if you know one person only me from in collaborate or come suban chidawa nka wo se me car na makwa you won't drive close because you are not crazy. You are not crazy. If you are, because you are not crazy. Because some of us, when we get crazy, aji ya wo panier to tame us. Ya wo panier to tame us. Akumana odwin sa wo no. Some of us have times 100 craziness into the highest level. But you could realize say, oh yes, I feel I don't mind you. The reason is the respect I have for A+. Say this man respected me. I don't even know where he got my number. A+ called me. Usati unkasa semno. Girl na menini yejuma Kantanka TV na ose oye wadamfo. Enti ode masemo brel. Say Gigi Mesa na me resigning from Kantanka TV na ontimi take you over no. Egosi muzen. Muwe ya mukwaje mo check no way. Why na twa amuka. Girl no so mi ko ni hu school emre so a meba be graduate on a live video. Me mo na metie if you don't even make the mistake. Personality I am very antisocial. I am the type who don't go out to public places a lot. I don't care type of person. Afia Schwarzenegger has been on my case for God knows when. If you're surprisingly nipa kwa o twa oka wadam for girl na on me ya adwuma wo Kantanka TV no betwa oka wo se wentwa oka kra wo se wo wadam for na aye ode me informations from Kantanka ebro ode Kantanka wan sam brel say you say ni nyina mate ni nyina. They are all here. The day I will address the Kantanka issue. They are here. If you are Ghanaians, I'm not here to insult Afia Schwarzenegger. No matter what the situation is, I believe she's a human being and a woman. As a fact, Afia Schwarzenegger, sounds shemi ye, me nyamre sao, me nyamre. And as a way I did, as a nipa mpeso be few.